Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. My name is Carlos and you're in Digital Marketpreneur. We talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make $800 plus for every email that you send. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the great business models because you don't have to create your own product, but you have to go see products that people are going to need, and then you can go and promote them. Now, this is a little bit of an unconventional way to do affiliate marketing, but if you guys need to make money right now, this could help you. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, it will help me if you hit that button that says subscribe. Also, the notification button. Share my videos if you know someone that wants to learn how to make money online, especially nowadays where, from this point on that we are moving in the future, a lot of things are gonna be moving to the online world, because if anything like this ever happen again, people are gonna realize that there's a big open market on the online world. And a lot of people realize that, but nowadays they're all going to figure it out that it's better if you get affiliates. It's better if you move a lot of your assets online. So it's going that direction. It's just gonna get bigger as we move along, and you need to be prepared, and you need to start right now learning new skills, so this will help you in the future. So with that being said, we're gonna jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, now one of the websites that you want to go is the userproof.com. okay, and when you get there, you're gonna click on products, and then you're gonna click on polls. Okay, they have a 14-day free trial that these companies can get to try the product. Okay, so this is the video. It's let's see, it's almost like 7-minute video. You can watch it so you guys can actually know a little bit more about this product. But basically what it does is it shows credibility for websites and for landing pages. And you're gonna see pop right there, right, just in time, 24 people are viewing this site, verified by proof. Now what this does is every time a customer shows up to a website or a landing page, what these companies are gonna be looking for is people feeling like the need of purchasing the product, because there's a lot of people coming to it. So if they show in social proof that there's tons and tons of traffic coming through their websites, then this is gonna create a little bit of scarcity in these clients that show up in there saying, well, you know what, there's a lot of people coming to this website, so this is a very legit website, and I want to see what they are showing, okay, and what their products and services are. So basically this is what it does. It shows social proof that people are coming in to these websites all the time. And then you can create a scarcity, because they can put this at like depending the number they want, as they're getting read, they're probably gonna feel like, oh, I want this service and this product. Why? It's like getting to that point where, I might not be able to get it, and it happens on landing pages, and people that are actually selling courses with ClickFunnels, they're using this type of tool so people can see that this is legit, and there's a lot of people looking for these things. One of the websites you can go visit is hotels.com, and when you're checking a certain rooms, there's people that you're gonna see this pop and saying people are looking at this hotel to rent rooms, and well, right now they're probably not, but whenever we go back to normality, you will see that on this specific website, and you will see the pop-up here saying people rented already a room, and 5 others are looking at the prices that we got for the renting of the hotel. So very interesting tool that these companies can use. Now you're gonna click on pricing, and this is where it gets good. Now, as you can see, their price for their product is $79 a month, and annually it's gonna be billed annually, but they're getting $66 a month. Okay, this is for 100,000 unique visitors. Now, if you go in and just get it a little higher, then this is gonna cost $299 a month annually is $249. Now we gotta go here and we gotta go 249 times 12 months. That's $2,988 times 3%. It's $896 with 40 cents that you will get paid. Now you're saying, why 3%? This is what I'm gonna show you. When you go all the way to the bottom and you click on partners, you sign up, you join now, and then you're gonna get an affiliate link that you can share, and then you start earning. And right here it says for every sale you're getting 30%. Okay, so that's on the high. So we gotta go back, and as you can see, this is $79 a month in the low end, right? If they only have 100. So we got $79 times 12 months. That's $948 times 3%. You're getting $284 out of the sale on the low end. So if you see that these companies are getting the success, they're getting 100,000 subscribers, and eventually they go up high. So they go up to 157,000, and the price is gonna go up, and they're getting charged annually. And then the 249 is, the annual price. And if they can go monthly for $299, you can earn between $300 and $800 for one customer. Okay, so think about if you have 2 or 3, you're basically doing almost $1,000 just for 2 emails. So the potential is there. Go sign up and start promoting this product. This is gonna work for service type businesses, and if you go on Google, it says what's a service type business. So we're gonna click on this, and it says the following are common examples of service of type of business: education, consulting, transportation, events, entertainment, media, infrastructure. And then you're gonna click on something like 18 examples of service businesses. Okay, so you have education, consulting, transportation, events, entertainment, media, and infrastructure. So one of the things that you guys can use is Google Maps, and you can enter consulting companies in Michigan, or I don't know which area you live in, and then you gotta go in and you gotta contact them. Okay, now I told you that I had a bonus for you at the end. So you're probably asking yourselves, okay, I signed up for this and I'm gonna contact them. What am I gonna tell them? So there's gonna be in the description an email that you guys gonna copy for yourselves, and that's how you're gonna contact them. Now, the key to this is you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna sign up, and you're going to get your affiliate link, okay? So you can use a Gmail account or a Yahoo account, whatever email account you have. And the advantage is once you contact these companies, you're gonna have their emails, and then you can email them back with, there might be other products that they need. And you gotta remember, once they purchase this product, and if it's giving them, the results that they want, they're gonna stay there for a long time. So the potential for earning is there. You can get as many clients as you want. You just have to go and do your research of the companies that you can reach. Okay, so basically what the email is gonna say is something like, hey, listen, I have a social media marketing agency, and I can help your business build your brand with conversions with a click on the button, because this cookie that's gonna be posted in these websites is gonna be a piece of code that they put in a certain spot in the websites, and these companies will help them. You don't have to do anything like that. I just explained it to you so you kind of get an idea how to do this. It's gonna be a piece of code that's gonna go into these websites, and then they're gonna be showing social proof on their websites. And basically what you're gonna tell them is a little bit about the company, how many customers they have in this email, and you will read it in the description. You can just copy and paste it, and then you gonna tell them there's a 14-day free trial. Click on this link to get access to it, and then they're gonna be sent to their website. You gotta contact as many as possible. So there's so many companies out there that can use this, and just for your own good, go check their websites and make sure that they don't have the social proof. So that will be a good thing for you to do. It takes 5 minutes. You only gotta do is click. Let's say we go back to my computer, you go to consulting, and then you go to this website, and then you look at this and you wait, and there's no social proof. You see that? There's nothing happening. Okay, so then you tell them, oh, listen, I saw your website, you don't have a social proof. You can add that to the email. You don't have to do exactly what the email says in my description. You can make a little changes to it, but most of these companies, you can go check them out, and you can add that piece on the email that says, I noticed that you don't have social proof. It's been proven that by having social proof, you can gain more customers, more sales. You don't want to miss out on this. There's a special tool that my agency works with, and it can help you increase your sales. And then you just put your affiliate link and you send them, and then the company will take care of the rest. At the end of this video, it's gonna come out like work from home jobs that you guys can do. If you don't want to do this and you're not interested, you can do these jobs right now and start earning money from home. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.